How to connect Godaddy domain to Lovable AI. Let's get started. So to do this, it's very simple. So first thing you want to do is go to your Lovable AI website and then log into your account and then go to the projects, settings and domains. And then click the connect domains. And in here, just copy and add the domain that you own. And then continue and then enter the domain that you want to connect. So simply just enter the domain of the GoDaddy and enter and then continue. And then search for and select your DNS provider. It's the service where you purchase your domain, which is the GoDaddy or whatever domain provider it is. And make sure that it is the correct domain and then follow the on-screen instructions to sign into your DNS provider and authorize the connection to entry. And then click the close window to complete the connection and return to the site settings. And then lastly, click Done. So the DNS changes may take up to 48 hours to propagate globally, though most updates occur within a few hours, and after that, you're all set. Your Lovable app is now available on your custom domain. And that's how you can basically connect your GoDaddy domain to your Lovable AI. It's that simple. Just follow these steps right here, and you have now successfully added your own domain to a Lovable AI website.